Hello everybody! Andrew's here. Welcome to the second part of Turbo Valtryek V3 unboxing. Today's video I will go over back view of a Turbo Valtryek V3 components. So let's get going. So okay, we have the Turbo Valtryek V3 energy layer. Here we have the 3 turbo blades, whose strength is so weak compared to its Takara Tomy one. Way too easy. Just to play the more safe. I feel that is the mechanism so weak, so easy for triple. As I said that again, the strength of the turbo blades. Whoa, it looks lighter and weak. Weaker than that of is Takara Tomy counterpart, Norse Mythology. Should I say Norse Valkyrie, whose mechanism is opposite, like a heavy and stronger, not this energy layer, because the turbo blades are so weak. And there is a QR code, so you can go ahead and scan it. And besides, sensor with the QR code, there's a flat surface area as well. And we have the Hasbro Sinew that has no white rubbers on it. Not much like Takara Tomy the Zenith with a white rubbers. And on the back feel, all of these are so built in with 3 nails, so fit in, no hollow. And remember, there are no 6 white rubbers on it, just a plastic one to make it lighter. We have a 3-letter C with the 2 thorns. Look reminiscent of that of Dragon Ball Z trademark title. This pretty much looks like it, with a 1C molded with the tabs from the force disc, and the upper tab between the letter Z's. 2 C's. And of course we have the evolution. On the back, that's pretty much looked like a variable. This pretty much like that variable. It's pretty much like at least 10 on the edge of the motif, and 2-letter V's contacted a chopper, and 2 curves with 3 protrusion as well. It kind of looks like an evolution design. And then we notice we got 14 smaller teeth centered with the 6 teeth. Make it like the 20 teeth overall. But it has the 4 edges as well because of the 4 blades as well. So, and besides, I almost forgot about the scale. So we have the Turbo Valtryek V3. It weighs 15.4 grams. And for the Zenith, 23.8 grams. And for the Evolution driver, 5.8 grams. And for the mechanism, let's see how this works. Uh-oh. This is not good. I have a Turbo Valtryek V3 losing. Feels so loose, much like the Sprite Valkyrie S3. Because the silver paint made up of the plastic. Same goes with the shield. And we have here 45 grams when you put the Turbo Valtryek V3. And we're going to do the test battle. 3, 2, 1, let it flip. All 3 turbo blades are activated. Depending how much strength you launch Turbo Valtryek V3. Way much easier than that of its Takara Tomoe counterpart. Whoa, that was so fast. We have 3 turbo blades. 3 turbo blades that came out so easily. And here comes the full power launch. 3, 2, 1, let it flip. Because the Turbo Valtryek starts with the 6 taller teeth on its driver, it doesn't go very well. It doesn't go aggressive very well unless all teeth are worn out. This is how the first evolutionary step of evolution driver works. And you notice that 6 teeth begin to slowly wear out. Takes a longer time to wear it out. This is the first step of the evolution. One and second step we'll go over every time I battle Turbo Valtryek V3. With the teeth that will be gone, it will go aggressive and reduce the 75% of the stamina. So that's why the Turbo Valtryek V3 is like an attack type A. First test battle between Turbo Valtryek V3 Zenith Evolution versus Turbo Achilles A4 Double O Dimension S. Here I make it look like a reminiscent of a Beyblade Burst Turbo last episode, whose number is 51. That's when where Volt and Iger face each other after the Iger beaten 5. Round 1. Start! Whoa! Simultaneous burst finish. No points. Round 2. Start! One nothing. Turbo Achilles wins. Round 3. Start. One. Round 4. Start. Two, 1. Round 5. Start. Whoa! Look at this shot. 3, 2, 2. Winner, Turbo Valtryek V3 Evolution. Second test battle between Turbo Valtryek V3 Evolution versus Turbo Splicing S4 Zero Wall Zeta-S. Round 1. Start. Whoa. Oh, right. 1-0. Round 2, start. Turbo's prize to win. So, Turbo they did a good job in the slingshot defense mode. My Zeta-S is set to Valkyrie stamina mode. Round 3. Start. What a perfect game! Turbo Splicing S3 Wall Zeta-S takes a win. Final test battle between Turbo Valtryek V3 Evolution versus Valkyrie Escape Force 7 Atomic S. Round 1. Start. Knockout balance. Turbo Valtryek wins. 1-0. Round 2, start. Whoa! What a powerful launch knockout! The score is 2-0. Round 3, start! The score is 2-1. Round 4, start! Three to 1. We got our winner, Turbo Valtryek V3. Thank you everybody else for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, favorite, and or subscribe/follow. Thank you, having a good time, and do not forget to Lily Trip. This video is the first time I battle Valtryek V3 in test battle.